In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Google Slides. This fundamental skill can enhance your presentation by allowing you to move and format multiple items together rather than one by one. This not only saves time but also keeps your slides neatly organized. Let's dive in and learn how to do this in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google credentials. This is essential because without logging in, you won't have access to your saved presentations or be able to create a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. On the homepage, you have the option to start fresh or pick from a variety of templates. Today, let's go ahead and select blank presentation, which will open a new clean slate for us to work on. Alternatively, if you have an existing presentation that you want to work with, feel free to open that as well. Now let's talk about selecting the objects you want to group. Click and drag your mouse pointer over the objects to select them. You can tell they are selected when you see a blue outline around each one. If you're selecting objects scattered across the slide, hold down the Shift key and click on each object individually. Once you've selected your objects, it's time to group them together. Right-click on any of the selected objects. This will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. From this menu, search for the Group option. Click on it and just like that, your selected objects are now grouped together. This means you can now move or resize them as a single unit, making your designing process much simpler. Should you wish to ungroup your objects later, just right-click on the grouped objects and select Ungroup from the same context menu. This flexibility allows you to adjust your design as needed without limitations. This technique of grouping objects in Google Slides is a powerful way to manage complex layouts effectively. Whether you're designing for school assignments, business presentations, or personal projects, mastering this skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and the quality of your presentations. Remember to experiment with grouping and ungrouping different elements to get a feel for what works best for your particular project. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to group objects in Google Slides, a valuable skill for making your presentations cleaner and more professional. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring the possibilities with Google Slides.